Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that f of t plus 1 divided by t equals t divided by t minus 1. So to solve this, we are going to be looking for f of t, and when we consider the solution from here, so the first thing we are going to take note here is in this domain for f of t plus 1 divided by t equals t divided by t minus 1, where our t here is not equals 0. Because when we start plugging the values here, if this is 0, we have 0 plus 1 divided by 0. This is an undefined. T must not be equals to 0 as t is a member of real number. And let's see how we can obtain f of t only. We apply the substitution method as we have t plus 1 over t. If I let it equals to another letter, and if I choose letter x, for instance, so I want to make only t the subject of the relation here. What I do is by dividing this one by 1 and we cross multiply. By multiplying this together, we have t multiplying x equals t plus 1, and this is multiplying 1, and t plus 1 times 1, that is also t plus 1. Then when we multiply t and x together, we have tx equals t plus 1. And the next thing here on board is, let's try and subtract t from both sides. By subtracting t from both sides, it means that this t and this t cancelled, and when they cancelled, we are left here with tx minus t equals 1. Then we are going to have, let's factorize t here. We have t and we have t that is common. By factoring out t, we have t bracket, here remains x minus, when we divide t by t, that is 1, equals 1. Let's divide both sides by x minus 1 to obtain only t as the subject of the formula. So when t minus 1 cancel, x minus 1 cancel x minus 1, we have t equals 1 divided by x minus 1. This is what we have for this. We have make t the subject of these relations. Let's come back to the given question and replace everywhere we see t with 1 divided by x minus 1. For what we make t equals 1 divided by x minus 1. This is what we have. Then, and we let the whole of t plus 1 over t here, we let everything to be equals x. Therefore, we have our f of, instead of t plus 1 over t, we are going to write it as f of x, then equals, here before I try substituting t as 1 divided by x minus 1, I want to write this thing as, if this is t, then we have long division before, by changing it to short division, and here is t minus 1. They are still the same thing. After having this, we have f of x equals, instead of t, we change this to 1 divided by x minus 1. Then divided by, t also is 1 divided by x minus 1, then minus 1. So for this minus 1, let's say 1 divided by 1. So after we have this, to avoid confusion of board mass, I'm going to put everything here in bracket, which means we have to treat bracket first before we come to division. Without introducing this bracket, it means we treat 1 over x minus 1 with this division first, so before we can attach it to it. But because of this bracket, it shows that we treat everything in bracket before we come back to division, and bracket here is also known as parenthesis. Alright, So here we have to find the LCM. By finding the LCM, we have 1 divided by x minus 1, then divided by open bracket. So we multiply x minus 1 with minus 1. And here we have 1 minus. So we're going to have minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So everything here in bracket. Therefore, we have 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by this and this. We have minus 1 here, it becomes plus. So it will not cancel, sorry. So we have this as 1, we have this as 1. So when we add 1 plus 1 together, that is 2, then minus x divided by x minus 1. So after this, we apply the rule of reciprocal here. This is division, so we are going to change it to multiplication, but by changing this one, it means we're also going to interchange these two. 2 minus x will come down and x minus 1 will come up. So that is the rule of changing this division to multiplication, and therefore we have 1 over x minus 1, then multiply by x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. We have x plus minus 1, x minus 1, they cancelled each other. Therefore, we have 1 over 2 minus x. And the result of everything here equals f of x. So since we have f of x, and we have to find f of t. So we just change this x to t, and we have f of t here equals 1 divided by 2 minus t. But before we conclude this solution, we have to note that t here is not equals to. So t is not equals to 2. That's only when we are going to be safe here, because when we plug t equals to 2, we are going to have 1 divided by 0, and which is an undefined function. This is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. And I solved this question because this is the only method I think I can use to solve this. If we have any other method of solving this, we can drop it in the comment box so that we share knowledge together. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.